Guys, this is Kim from WODWIN. Here I show you is our Ultra 4K PTZ camera with auto framing and voice checking function. The model number is WIN-M49K. This camera has two lenses. One is 4K 30fps lens and another one is the panoramic lens. This camera is 12 times optical zoom and it is suitable for video conference, telemedicine, online education, and so on. Well, let's turn to the back side. You can find that it has the HDMI port, USB 3.0, and the LAN port. The LAN port can transmit the video like HDMI port. WIN-M49K is a voice checking camera. It means that it can check the speaker on the video conference room. Besides, it is with the AI auto framing function. It means that when people who enter into the room, it can be adjusted in the center of the screen. For this camera, there are 4 installation methods, such as the tripod, desktop, wall mounting, and ceiling mounting. This is Kim from WODWIN again, which is a leading manufacturer and supplier in audio and video conference for more than 10 years in China. Besides, we also can support OEM and ODM services. If you have any need, welcome to contact with WODWIN. And our website is www.wodwins.com. Thanks for your time.